I'm not sure if the camera's spotting all this. Birds. Birds everywhere. All on these motherfucking wires, man. Damn. Wow. I'm pretty sure I'm not supposed to be on this middle lane, but oh well. Fuck it. Damn, look at all these motherfucking birds. They're just standing there. They are just all over these wires. They got bird food on these wires. What the fuck is going on here, man? Yo. For real. What is this? A meeting between birds and shit? The fuck is going on here, man? For real, though? Way too many birds. Way too many birds. Is there a buffet gonna happen soon or something? Like, seriously. Way too many birds in just one place.